Welcome to Moicon Use Cases to help you optimize production in your factory today. Documentation data can be stored in various types of formats such as sections, snapshots, elements of process analysis, path vertices, markups, and 3D assets. In this use case, we will focus on the most used entities, markups and 3D assets. We can start with adding various data properties to an asset. Click on the asset, click on the plus icon to create custom property. You can add one of the following property types. Text stores a single string of any alphanumeric characters, such as a word, a phrase, or a sentence. Boolean stores only two options, on or off. You can use this field type when you need a property with values that are true or false. Date stores a date value. Rich text, or enhanced text editor, stores multiple strings of alphanumeric characters, such as a list of items, links, embedded links, and images. File stores a file associated with a record. Thumbnail stores an image file. IoT binds IoT data from a specific source. Let's add a couple custom properties to our asset. First, we will add a text property for the model name of the robot arm, and another for maximal range content. We can also add maintenance service dates and a maintenance Boolean switch using these property types. Let's add a rich text property for inputting a short description. We can also attach the user manual using the file property type. Finally, we will add a thumbnail picture for reference. Now we can look closer at adding data to markups. Let's add a file to the markup. First, we create a markup on the viewport and provide a title and content text for this markup. Click on the markup and click the plus icon to create custom property. Select file type, enter the property name, and then click OK. Now we can add any type of file. In this example, we will upload specifications for the forklift. That will help other users in the project to understand more about how this machine works. We can also add a connector, change its color to yellow, and add an offset value on the y-axis so that the markup is lifted above the asset. As you can see, storing documentation data can be useful for understanding and tracking production processes. It allows for data exchange and synchronization between project users. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next use case video.